Good morning, kids. How are you? I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. So, children, कैसा हो रहा है? मजा आ रहा है आप लोगों को? है ना? ऑनलाइन सेशंस आप देखते हो ना रेगुलरली? और सारा होमवर्क कर रहे हो कि नहीं? Yes, I know you all are doing it. So, children, I am removing my mask because I am alone in the class. Okay, children. So let's start our today's session. I am Nishata from Saraswati Group of Education. Today we are meeting for our fourth session of chapter number 1, pre-number concepts. Yes, you remember last time what we have learned? Let us do a quick recap. We have learned spatial understanding. What is spatial understanding? There are 6 subtopics. Which are they? They are top, bottom, which is the second one, inside, outside, third, above, below, fourth, on, under, fifth, near, far, and which is the sixth one? Think. Yes, the sixth one is before and after. I hope children you all are clear with it. And in our previous session, we have studied about description understanding. जो चीज कुछ डिस्क्राइब करती है, कुछ बताती है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Description understanding. In that we have already gone through 2 of the subtopics. Which were they? The first was bigger and smaller, and the second was longer and shorter. Today we are going to do 2 more topics of description understanding. Out of that, the first topic is taller and shorter, and the second topic is heavier and lighter. Now children, what is taller and what is shorter? What does it mean? Any idea? मैं एक छोटा सा सॉन्ग गाऊं आपके लिए. आपने अगर कभी सुना हो तो लंबू जी ठिंगू जी. You remember when you are around your friends, someone is very tall, कोई बहुत लंबा होता है और कोई छोटा होता है, तो आप लोग क्या बोलते हो? ए लंबू. और कोई छोटा होता है हाइट में, तो आप क्या बोलते हो? ए छोटू. ऐसा बोलते हो ना? So that is taller and shorter. Taller मतलब लंबा. आप जो हाइट मेजर करते हो वो क्या होता है? टॉल. हाइट अपन किस में मेजर करते हैं? टॉल में. और शॉर्ट मीन्स जो छोटा. अब आप लोगों को कंफ्यूजन होगा कि दीदी आपने लॉन्गर में भी शॉर्टर डाला था और टॉलर में भी शॉर्टर डाला था, तो इन दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है? तो इन दोनों का डिफरेंस है कि लॉन्गर और शॉर्टर ये चीज आप किस में मेजर करते हो? लेंथ में. लेंथ किसको बोलते हैं? जो आप ऐसे कोई चीज मेजर करते हो हॉरिजॉन्टली, लेंथ उसको बोलते हैं. किसी चीज का रूम की साइज आप मेजर करते हो, तो वो क्या हुई? ये मेरा बोर्ड है, तो ये मैं ऐसे मेजर करूंगी, तो ये क्या हुआ? लॉन्गर एंड शॉर्टर. पर उसके लिए ये वर्ड यूज होता है लॉन्गर एंड शॉर्टर फॉर लेंथ. ये आप आगे जाके पढ़ोगे व्हाट इज लेंथ, बट अभी के लिए सिर्फ आपको इतना ही जानना है. और टॉलर और शॉर्टर कब यूज होता है? टॉलर मतलब लंबा. तो ये मेरा बोर्ड देख रहे हो आप, इतना लंबा है, तो यही चीज मैंने जब ऐसे मेजर की तो ये लेंथ हो गई, लॉन्गर हो गया. पर यही चीज अगर मैं उसकी हाइट मेजर करूंगी ऊपर से नीचे, तो ये क्या हो गया? टॉलर. तो टॉलर और शॉर्टर कौन सी चीज के लिए होता है? हाइट. और लॉन्गर और शॉर्टर कौन सी चीज के लिए होता है? लेंथ. गॉट इट? अब जैसे आप लोग हैं, तो आपकी हाइट मेजर करनी हो तो डेफिनेटली आप अपने मम्मी डैडी से तो हाइट में छोटे हुए ना. तो आप लोगों के में अगर मैं कंपेयर करूं कि आप और आपकी मम्मी, हु इज शॉर्टर, यू और योर मदर? So what will be the answer? Yes, think. Yes, it's easy. You yourself will be shorter, क्योंकि मम्मी की हाइट तो आपसे बड़ी होती है ना. मम्मी is taller and you are shorter. Suppose I give an example of Ram and his mummy Siya. Okay, this is a different concept, but yes, Ram and Siya. Who is taller? Siya is taller. Who is shorter? Ram is shorter. Why? Because वो छोटा है और सिया की हाइट क्या है? बड़ी है, तो सिया क्या हुई? Taller. Now, let me give you some of the examples of taller and shorter. आप लोगों ने चिल्ड्रन ट्रीज देखे हैं, बहुत सारे क्रिसमस ट्रीज देखे हैं, राइट? यू माइट हैव सीन डिफरेंट क्रिसमस ट्रीज. सो यू माइट बी अवेयर कि क्रिसमस ट्री तो कितना लंबा लंबा होता है. आपने वीडियोस में भी देखा होगा ना, सेंटा क्लॉज जाता है क्रिसमस ट्री के पास, वहां पे बहुत सारे गिफ्ट्स होते हैं, राइट? सो यू कैन सी दैट द क्रिसमस ट्री इज वेरी टॉल, बहुत लंबा होता है. एंड द रेगुलर बनियान ट्री या नीम ट्री कुछ भी हो, वो क्या होता है? शॉर्ट, छोटा. उसके कंपेयर में तो छोटा, मतलब इतना नहीं, बट उसके कंपेयर में तो वो छोटा होता है. सो हम लोग क्या कह सकते हैं कि क्रिसमस ट्री इज टॉलर, बनियान ट्री इज शॉर्टर. समझ में आया आपको? गॉट इट? आपके घर पे अगर कोई प्लांट है तो आप प्लांट भी देखो, ऑब्जर्व करोगे. एक प्लांट बहुत लंबा लंबा होगा और दूसरा प्लांट छोटा सा होगा, होता है ना? सो आप ये चीज घर पे ऑब्जर्व करना और उससे आपको पता चलेगा व्हाट इज टॉल एंड व्हाट इज शॉर्ट. Now let me give you some of the practical examples. Children, now I am having this board. ये मैं इसलिए पकड़ रही हूँ ताकि ये मेरे हाथ में रहे और मैं इसके ऊपर आपको अलग अलग examples बता सकूं. So the first thing I will take is this. Can you see? Blocks. There are two types of blocks. अब देख रहे हैं? इसमें आपको पता चल रहा है कि अरे गिर गया. Oh, it's falling now. Let me keep it properly again. Yes. Okay. Can you see? ये वाला जो है वो बड़ा है, means it is tall. और ये वाला जो है वो छोटा है, it means it is short. So what we can say? This block or this line of block is tall, while this line of block is short. So इसमें कौन सा टॉल है? ये. और कौन सा शॉर्ट है? ये वाला, राइट? नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू अनदर एग्जाम्पल. यू कैन सी चिल्ड्रन, आई एम हैविंग दिस टू रिमोट्स. टीवी के रिमोट्स होता है ना, तो इसमें से कौन सा टॉल है? आपको कौन सा दिख रहा है? ऑन योर राइट. मेरा जो लेफ्ट है वो आपका राइट हुआ, तो आपके राइट हैंड साइड वाला कौन सा है? टॉल. और आपके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वाला कौन सा है? शॉर्ट. तो इसमें क्या हुआ? एक टॉल और एक शॉर्ट. इन द सेम वे आई एम हैविंग वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. यू कैन सी आई एम हैविंग टू डस्टर्स ओवर हियर. कैन यू सी? दिस डस्टर इज टॉल एंड दिस डस्टर इज शॉर्ट. आप लोग देख सकते हो, मैं हाइट मेजर करूं तो ये लंबा है, ये छोटा है. इट मीन्स दिस इज टॉल एंड दिस इज शॉर्ट. सो चिल्ड्रन, these are few examples of taller and shorter. I hope you are clear with the concept of taller and shorter and longer and shorter also. दोनों का difference आपको समझ में आ गया, right? Now let us move to our next subtopic. Which is it? The next subtopic is heavier and lighter. What is it? Heavier and lighter. It means कि अगर आपके पास कोई चीज हो, आपको कुछ उसको डिस्क्राइब करना हो, तो आप कैसे डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हो? मम्मी ये बहुत हैवी है. मम्मी दिस इज सो लाइट. आप बोलते हो ना घर पे. डू यू से इट होम? Yes. Whenever your mama goes to market and she brings vegetables in the bag, plastic bags, what does she say? बेटा this bag is so heavy. आप मत उठाओ, आप थक जाओगे. मामा बोलती है ना. Remember? So that is heavy. जो बहुत भारी रहता है उठाने में, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Heavy. और जो बिल्कुल जिसका वेट लगता ही नहीं है, जो कम भारी हो, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? लाइट. What do we say? Light. So this is the concept of heavier and lighter. Now let me give you some more examples of heavy and light. For example, first of all I will tell you about watermelon. अभी अभी वाटरमेलन की सीजन है ना, मॉनसून स्टार्ट हो गया है, बट थोड़ा थोड़ा तो अभी भी वाटरमेलन मिल रहा है, राइट? समर्स में आप लोग खाते होगे. सो when you hold a watermelon, what will you say? The watermelon is heavy, right? भारी लगता है. बट उसके सामने अगर आप छोटी सी एक स्ट्रॉबेरी होल्ड करो तो आपको क्या लगेगा? वो लाइट. तो आप क्या बोल सकोगे? Watermelon is heavier and strawberry is lighter, है ना? In the same way, आप अगर स्कूल बैग लेते हो, I'll show you this practically. You can see, children, I am having this school bag. Can you see? This is heavy. उठाने में भारी लग रहा है. So what will I say? It is heavier. But उसके सामने अगर मैं एक ये छोटा सा लीफ पकड़ रही हूँ, Can you see? I am holding this leaf. तो ये क्या है? बिल्कुल लाइट है, आराम से पकड़ सकती हूँ मैं. So this is lighter. The bag was heavier and the leaf is lighter. Let me give you one more example of ball. Can you see? I am having two balls in my hand, right? But ये ball जो है, जो मेरा left है, आपका right है, ये बहुत heavy है, मेरे को बहुत दिक्कत हो रहा है पकड़ने में. I am struggling. ये क्या है? Heavy है because it is big. बट उसके सामने कैन यू सी दिस प्लास्टिक बॉल? ये तो छोटा है, ये तो मैं आराम से पकड़ सकती हूँ. तो दिस इज लाइटर. गॉट इट? दिस इज हैवियर एंड दिस इज लाइटर. सो बेटा, दीज आर सर्टन एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ हैवी एंड लाइट. I hope children you all are clear with these four concepts of description, understanding. Students, we have completed two topics in our chapter. One topic was of spatial understanding and the second topic was of description understanding. Now moving on to the third and the last topic of this chapter. The name of the topic is quantity understanding. What is the name? Quantity understanding. Now, what is quantity? Quantity का meaning क्या हुआ? Quantity means whenever there is something that you have to measure. कोई भी चीज आपको कम है या ज्यादा है, उसमें मेजर करनी है, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? मेजरिंग इन क्वांटिटी. जैसे कि मेरे पास, मैंने आज थोड़ा पानी पिया, मैंने आज ज्यादा पानी पिया. आई ड्रिंक लेस वाटर एंड आई ड्रिंक मोर वाटर. तो वो क्या हुआ? आपने वाटर कैसे कंपेयर किया? मोर और लेस में किया कि मैंने ज्यादा और कम पिया. तो दैट मोर एंड लेस इज कॉल्ड क्वांटिटी अंडरस्टैंडिंग. सो इन क्वांटिटी अंडरस्टैंडिंग देयर इज वन सब टॉपिक and the name of it is more and less. Now let me give you some of the examples of more and less. First of all, children, whenever you go to a swimming pool or you go into a water park, you might have seen that there is lot of water in the pool, right? तो वो क्या हुआ? That is more water in the pool. अब उसके साथ अगर आप एक बकेट में पानी लो और वो कंपेयर करो, तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? देयर इज लेस वाटर इन द बकेट, राइट? तो मोर किस में था? मोर वॉज इन पूल. एंड वेयर वॉज द लेस वाटर? द लेस वाटर वॉज इन द बकेट. So this is the comparison of more and less. Sometimes it is not only comparison of water or liquid, you can compare things also. Suppose you can say, I have more pencil than my friend. Or you can say, I have more colors than my sister. होता है? मेरे पास ज्यादा कलर्स है और मेरी सिस्टर के पास कम कलर्स है. So that is also called more and less. Now let me show you some of the examples. Now let me take up this pad again and I will show you 2 glasses of water. Let me pick it up first. Can you see, children? I am having 2 glasses of water. Now, which glass has more water? I am giving the name to this is A glass and this is B glass. Which glass is having more water? You can observe there is much water in this and there is less water in this. It means this glass A has more water and glass B has less water, right? So you can say that this is more and this is less, or you can say glass B has less water than glass A, right? So this is one of the example of more and less. This was example of water. It is in quantity. Now if I give you an example with things, how will you measure it? Children, you can see I am having 2 boxes with me right now, right? In one box I have kept, can you see? Can you see there are 5 chalks in this box, right? And in the other box, just look at the box. There are only 2. The other one is missing. Yes. See, can you see there are 2 chalks in this box. Now, how will you measure which has more, which has less? It is easy. Yes. This box has more chalks and this box has less chalks. Why? This box are having 5 chalks. This box is having 2 chalks. So, this box is having more chalks than this box. Or you can say this box is having less chalks than this box. So children, this is what we call as quantity understanding. More and less comes in quantity understanding. I hope children you are clear with all the 3 concepts of this chapter: spatial understanding, description understanding, and the third one is quantity understanding. With this we come to an end of our chapter. Now children, we are going forward to our textbook. We will solve the exercise from our textbook and then I will show you a video related to the whole chapter. So open your textbook, page number 84. Children, open page number 84 from your textbook. Now, you can see on the top, pick the taller of the 2. What you have to do? You have to take the one that is tall. You can see there is a line of blocks, 2 line of blocks. Which is tall and which is short? Yes, this one is tall. So what we have to do? We have to give a tick mark. What is tick mark? Giving a right. I am giving a right. You also have to do it with me. And you don't have to fill anything in this box. Moving on to the next one. You can see there are 2 ladders. Which is tall? This or this? Yes, this is tall. So I will mark a tick onto it. I hope you are doing it with me. Moving on to the next question. Pick the shorter of 2. Which is the shorter of 2? There are 2 types of flowers. You can see this one and this one. Which is shorter? We don't have to tick the taller. So this is shorter. So give a tick to it. Next is, which tree is shorter out of both? This. Am I right? No. This is shorter. So giving a tick to this. Moving on to next. Heavier and lighter. You can see the chick is lighter than the peacock. This is the chick. This is lighter than the peacock. Now, moving on to the next question. You can see there is a pink box. We have to write the answer. Tick the heavier of the two. Which is heavier? A, this is a dolphin, and B, this is a small fish. Which is heavier? Obviously a dolphin. So we will give a tick to A. Moving on to next. Tick the heavier of the two. Is the shoes heavy or socks? What is more heavy? Yes, shoes are heavier than socks. So we will mark a tick on shoes. Next, elephant is heavy or a rabbit is heavy? What is more heavy? Yes, I know you all know the answer. Elephant is heavier. Now, turn the page. Now, we have to take the lighter of the two. Out of these two, which is light? The ball or the shuttlecock? Which is light? Yes, the shuttlecock is light. Then next, is computer light or mobile phone light? Which is lighter? When you hold a computer, it is light, or when you hold a mobile, it is light? Yes, the mobile phone is lighter. So we will take mobile phone. Moving on to exercise 1.2. Tick the smaller one. Which is the smaller out of these two? A dog or a cat? Yes, a cat. So we will give a tick to cat. Next, tick the longer one. Which is long? This or this? Yes, this pencil is longer. So we will mark a tick to it. The third one is tick the taller one. Which is tall? This girl or this girl? This? Okay, you are right. So we'll give a tick to it. Tick the lighter one. Which is lighter out of them? Obviously a balloon. Aeroplane is very heavy. So we will tick a balloon. Moving on to more and less. There is more water in jug 1. There is less water in jug 2. You can see jug 1 has more water and jug 2 has less water. Let us move to further sums. Tick the one that has more water. You can see there is a swimming pool and a bucket. I gave you the example. Which has more water? Swimming pool. So I will give a tick to swimming pool. Next, this glass or this glass. Which has more water? You can see this is full of water and this is having very less water. So I will mark a tick to this. Okay, move on to page number 86. Children, now we have to tick the group that has less marbles. Which out of the two has less marbles? Shall we count? This has 1 and 1, 2. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what does it mean? Which has less? This. So I will give a tick to it. Next, tick the group that has less toys. Which group is having less toys? Here there are so many toys and there is only one toy over here. So which group has less toys? This group. So I will mark a tick. Now moving on to exercise 1.3. Question 1. Tick the one that has less toffees. Less toffees. Let us count which tray has less toffees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are having 6 toffees. And in this tray, 1, 2 and 3. So it means that this tray has less toffees. Second, pick the one that has more eggs. You can see there are only 3 eggs and in this basket there are so many eggs. So it means that this basket has more eggs. So we will tick to this basket. Moving on to the third question. Tick the one that has less juice. Which has less juice? You can see this glass is full of juice and this is having very less juice. It means this glass is having less juice. Next, tick the one that has more air. Which has more air? This balloon or this balloon? Obviously this balloon, because it is full of air, it is filled and this is unfilled. So this balloon has more air. So beta, with this we come to an end of our chapter. This question is an extra question. You can do it at your home. Children, we have solved exercise from our textbook. Now let me give you the homework for the day. Till now I was giving you very little homework. But now as our chapter is completed, I will give you 2 worksheets for this chapter. Now in worksheets there will be different questions, like you have to write O for outside, I for inside. You have to fill in the box. So you have to complete that worksheet, and one worksheet will be you have to mark the tick like we have done in our textbook right now. The same thing, you have to mark a tick to whatever question is asked. Suppose the question is asked, tick the glass that has more water. Then you have to tick the glass which is having more water. So this is the homework for the day. And with this we come to an end of our chapter. And after this you will see a small video related to the chapter. So children, take care. Have a nice day and bye for now.
Spatial understanding. Top and bottom. Deepthi is at the top of the slide. Her brother is at the bottom of the slide. Inside and outside. The eggs are inside the nest. The bird is outside the nest. Above and below. The plane is above the bridge. The boat is below the bridge. On and under. The boy is on the bed. The mouse is under the bed. Before and after. The engine comes before the coaches. The coaches come after the engine. Near and far. The scooter is near the tree. The car is far from the tree. Bigger and smaller. The apple is small. The watermelon is big. The watermelon is bigger than the apple. The apple is smaller than the watermelon. Longer and shorter. This pencil is long. This pencil is short. The blue pencil is longer than the red pencil. The red pencil is shorter than the blue pencil. Taller and shorter. This coconut tree is tall. This orange tree is short. Heavier and lighter. The chick is light. The peacock is heavy. More and less. There is more water in jug 1. There is less water in jug 2.